Next up, we will be taking our facility and labor expenses into account. Regarding labor costs, we are only entering in the cost of labor tied to manufacturing our products. Here in my example on the Assembly tab, I am manufacturing my product in a kitchen that cost me $1,800 per month. My labor expenses cost me $1,680 per month. I have already entered in my production days per month and production hours per day, which generate my cost per hour. I can see that my total cost per hour is $29. Make sure you enter in your production days, hours per day, cost per month, and facility name if needed. If you don't have a space that you pay for to make your product, or you don't have employees that you pay, for example, if you are just starting your business from home and making everything yourself, I highly recommend that you do your research and enter in expenses common to your business. Don't leave it blank because you will be deceived in knowing your actual costs. It is also hard to price your product low just to move into a new space, hire some help, and find out you are no longer making money because you didn't take your facility and labor overhead into account. For your business's sake, plug in realistic numbers here. On to our product assembly time. For every unique recipe and packaging in your spreadsheet, you need to include the time it takes to create each. We can see that we already have data on our spreadsheet. We have the assembly times for almond milk, which includes the recipe, single packaging, and case packaging. I am going to copy and paste this. Then update the name of my recipe and packaging. Now I can manually enter each step in my manufacturing process. Now I will add the time it takes in seconds to complete each task. And finally, I will do the same for my packaging. Now I can see the total time in hours along with the cost per hour for assembly. In our next video, we will be creating our first product sheet.